Makarios Bella. Life is beautiful. Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this vlog, I'm going to show you my simple room that I rent. When I got this room, it had only a double deck and a shelf cabinet. This is my dining area. These are the books I'm reading. Keep believing.
But how? How am I supposed to do that?
Wisdom meets passion.
When?
7 strategies for wealth and happiness.
No strategies, just sleep and wait.
Never give up.
Why?
42 rules to jumpstart your professional success.
Just walk.
An enemy called average. Straight from the gut.
You?
The road ahead.
For us.
I bought these 2 old books during clearance sale for 99 pesos only, or for less than $2, buy one take one. Notebooks.
Please use me. I beg you, master.
Christmas party gift, colored pencils. The snail.
Ouch! It hurts!
It moves its head back and forth when you drag it, forward and backward like this.
So far, this is my fastest speed. Yahoo! Ouch, ouch. I can do this. Oh my days. To be honest, I'm terrified doing this. But for you, I'm gonna endure this. Thanks God it's over. I did it. Yay!
Clock.
When I'm gonna have a day off? I'm working 24/7. It's ridiculous.
Bible and prayer booklets.
We're a bit skeptical about these flowers.
I bought this shell craft cause it's cute.
We are really cute and also pretty.
Simple prayers for life's journeys, hard times, and busy people. Essential items. Batteries. Rulers. I place them in a designated area so it's easy to locate them. Nail cutter. Stapler. Sharpener. Hair clips. Hair bands, glues. Puncher. Ballpoint pens, pencils, eraser, medicine.
Can you relocate us? It's kinda boring here, Makarios.
Mirror. Books and notebooks.
Makarios, please let us see our friend Apple and Eggs. We miss them.
Hygiene, beauty products. Scrunchies. Keys. Comb.
You disrupt my sleep. Return me faster, please.
Oh my days, she's not listening to us, guys. She's busy videoing us.
Scissor. Apple and eggs.
You disappointed me. Where are they, Makarios?
Powdered drinks, onions, garlic. Mayonnaise. Beef canned goods.
Oh, don't show me. I'm shy. We're not friends now. Oh my days.
Fish canned good. Flakes in oil. Calderetta. Afritada.
Are you happy now?
Favorite Korean noodle. Favorite Philippine-made noodle. Favorite white bread.
Please handle me with care. Ouch.
Local-made chocolates. Cloud9.
Yummy.
Chewy Choco.
Can I have one, please?
By the way, all the products presented are not sponsored. Here is the view of all the shelf layers.
You're the apple of my eye. Home is where the heart is. What do elves learn in school? The alphabet. What kind of tea is hard to swallow? Reality.
My way of living is very simple.
Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
Really?
I decorated the wall with colored paper-formed flower.
It's quite nice here.
Whiteboard. See our bathroom. I decorated the wall with plastic flowers.
Heaven on earth. Oh, it's fake. Love, love, love.
This is where I put my clothes and other stuffs. My bed.
Oh, she's showing us. Darling, behave.
My 2 little companions.
Hello guys, we're still sleepy cause we partied last night. Oh, it's a secret. Fly, 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 butterfly.
My view when sleeping in my back. I put a flowery paper, so it looks beautiful and relaxing than a brown plywood, right? These are the things under my bed. Heater.
Don't touch me.
Emergency light.
Ouch! 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 You're depleting my light.
Flat iron.
It's cold, plug me.
Shoebox which I reused as container for detergents, shampoo, etc.
You disturb the peace. Close now. Thank you.
Rice cooker.
My lady, the rice tickles me.
The overall room view.
Oh no, guys, she's showing us again. Behave. Heads up, chest out, stomach in. Oh no, we don't have those. Never mind. Just act cool, guys. Act cool and smile. Shine, shine like the stars in the sky. It's once in a lifetime experience, guys, so make your best pose. Guys, I think we are making a good job. Maybe Makarios will now listen to us after this. Smile.
What did one watermelon say to the other on Valentine's Day? You were one in a melon. What makes a sick lemon feel better? Lemonade. Why are astronauts so clean? They take meteor shower.
Silence muggles.
Abracadabra.
Wow. Makarios, please don't write on me. I just finished taking bath. Seriously.
The meaning of Makarios is blessed, happy, and fortunate. What is your favorite word, quote, or verse that help inspires you to go through life? Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Walt Disney.